everyone, Captain Starlight here. Have you ever wanted to know which Inside Out 2 character you're most like? Well, stay tuned to find out. You'll need a piece of paper or something to help you keep score of your answers. Here's question 1. When you're faced with something new, what's your move? A. Dive in like a superhero on a mission. B. Put on your thinking cap and make a super plan. C. Worry a little and ask for a hug. D. Stick with your comfy blanket and favourite TV show. E. Wish you had superpowers like your heroes. Question 2. How would your friends describe you? A. Full of energy and ready for action, like a bouncing ball. B. A master planner who can build the best forts ever. C. The best friend who always helps and shares snacks. D. The steady rock who loves routine and knows the best games. E. The curious one who watches and learns from everyone else. Question 3. If you could be an animal, what animal would you be? A. A monkey. B. An owl. C. A puppy dog. D. A horse. E. A chameleon. Question 4. What's your favourite thing to do on the weekend? A. Going on a new adventure, like a treasure hunt in the backyard. B. Organising your room into a super cool space station. C. Hanging out with friends and playing fun games. D. Lounging with your favourite book and some snacks. E. Watching and learning from other kids at the skate park. Question 5. What makes you feel like a superstar? A. Navigating new adventures and trying out new things. B. Making a super cool plan and achieving your goals. C. Spending time with friends and being the best buddy ever. D. Having everything just right and sticking to your routine. E. Learning from others and hoping to do amazing things just like them. Question 6. What's your favourite colour? A. Yellow. B. Blue. C. Orange. D. Green. E. Aqua. Time to tally together all of your answers and let's see which Inside Out character you are. If you got mostly A's, you're Joy. You're like Joy, full of energy and always ready for the next big adventure. You make everything fun and exciting, just like a superhero. Mostly B's? You're Sadness. You're a thoughtful planner like Sadness. You like to take your time and make sure everything is just right. Your care and attention is super cool. Mostly C's? You're Anxiety. You're like Anxiety, feeling a bit worried sometimes, but always wanting a little extra help from friends and family. You're caring and need a safety net. Mostly D's? You're Disgust. You're similar to Disgust, loving your routines and making sure things are just perfect. You're great at sticking with what you know and making it awesome. Mostly E's? You're Envy. You're a bit like Envy, watching others and wishing you could be just amazing as they are. You're super observant and always learning from the cool kids. Which character are you most like? If you've enjoyed our quiz today, make sure you like and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time!